It's really cute. So for this coat upcycle, I'm going to be cutting along the tops of the pockets, and I'm going to be making it a shorter type of jacket, and the rest of the fabric I'll be using to make something else. And this jacket was only £8.99, so potentially I'm going to have 2 separate projects from this, so it's quite exciting. And now it's time to cut it up. Look, this could be a skirt. It's got the buttons and everything ready. And you've got your very own skirt with pockets. Trendy. So the next bit is to stitch the hem. So I've just sewn all around the bottom of the jacket, and that's all cropped. And now my idea for the vinyl is to decorate the back along here with some lovely stars. So I've actually cut my star template just out of card, and then I'm going to use this to draw onto the back of Happy Flock, which is white, and I'm going to draw onto the non-shiny side. And now I'm just going to cut off all the pen marks, because if they're left on they might transfer to the fabric, so you just want to make sure every single piece is off. First I'm just going to pre-press it with my iron. My iron is on the 2-dot setting, and then when I press the flock it needs to be on the 165 degrees, which is a little bit higher than the 2-dot setting. So I'm going to place the star's shiny side up, and I want 3 across the centre back here. So I'm just going to add greaseproof paper on top, and then press with the iron. So once the flock has cooled down, it can then be peeled. So every piece of our vinyl has a top layer of a plastic carrier just to protect your vinyl and your iron when you're pressing. This is the most satisfying part. You just need to peel every single one, and it will reveal the flock's velvety texture, because at first it will be shiny and smooth, but once you take the top layer off, it's so smooth and fluffy. Oh, it looks so good. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments below what kind of challenge you want us to do next.